I am Sarah Lillywhite, and I'm going to show you how to make friendship fruit salad. This is a great one for preschoolers because they get to use their hands a lot, they get to learn a lot of math, and they get to participate in making one big yummy bowl of fruit salad for the entire class, and everyone gets a turn. That's the best part about it. To start off with, you're going to need some fruit. I would highly suggest some strawberries, 2 types of apples. I have green and red. Pineapple is a great one, and also some grapes. I kind of prefer the purple ones, but some people really like the green ones. You'll also need some plastic knives for them to cut. I don't know if you can tell, this is kind of see-through. And paper plates for them to cut on. This activity works really great during small group time. The kids can come over and you can kind of help them make this together. You can start off now. We'll start off with the grapes. I would suggest giving the kids 2 grapes each and having them put it on their plate, just like so, and tell them to cut it lengthwise in half. Some kids are going to be able to really do this. Other times you might have to explain what is length versus what is width. And if they do it wrong, it's totally okay because it's just fruit. Once they have those cut, there should be 4, and you can even count with them, 1, 2, 3, 4. Have them put it in the big bowl. There'll be one big bowl in the center for everybody to put their fruit. Moving on, the grapes, the strawberry is going to be about the same. But the apples, I would have them have 1 green and 1 red apple. I'll tell them we're going to cut this in half. And cut it in half. Now we're going to cut it in half again. And that should make 4 pieces of apple. And these ideally will be about bite size. If you want to cut them one more time, that's totally fine. And once they cut those into 4s, they should have a total of 8, and you can count that with them. Once they have that, you can put this whole thing, you can see it, into the bowl. And you'll do the same with the strawberries. Strawberries you can cut, tell them to cut off the stem. Ideally, it would probably be best to have the stems cut off first. Some kids have a hard time understanding what stem is, but it's a great time to explain that to them. So you take the strawberry and you cut it half, just like we did with the grape, and then half again. And that will make 4 slices, and they'll be long, lengthwise slices, and you have them put that in. Last one, of course, is the pineapple. The pineapple, I just cut off the ends, all the outside of it. I cut out the middle into a triangle so that they could understand where the half part is, and they can just have a half of a ring of pineapple on their plate. And tell them cut it in half. So now you'll have 2 pieces of pineapple on your plate. And then we won't worry about that part. Cut it in half again. That'll make ideally 4 pieces, but I lost my other half. Then cut it 1 more time, both into halves, and that will make 8. And you can count with them, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now they should have all of their pieces of fruit in their delicious bowl. The last step is you're going to have them take 1 scoop each. Each child can do this. Take 1 scoop of Cool Whip, just about a spoonful, and dump it in. And this is the fun part that they will absolutely love. They get to stir it. And it doesn't matter how many times you stir it, it's not going to hurt it. But every kid gets a chance to stir in the delicious fruit salad. And then, of course, when it's time for snack time, everybody gets a scoop, and it is super delicious. And the kids are all super proud because they helped make it. Thanks.